So this is it, huh? This is Vision Starburst. This was revealed by Geely earlier this week. Let's start with this name. What does this name mean?
Okay, no problem. If you are familiar with our design language, you must heard of our expanding cosmos philosophy. Seeing our production cars of the past few years, including Preface and Xingyue L. Vision Starburst is not a departure from, but more of a continued exploration of this same. We are always exploring the cosmos for new sources of the inspiration and became fascinated with this, the birth of a star. When a star is born, we have this incredible event. A wave of energy is generated, twisting and turning outwards. This burst of a star is what we call starburst. It's an expression of infinite possibilities and the inspiration of our Vision Starburst concept.
So a star is born. Why did you decide on this name, this cosmic event, for the name of your new concept?
What you can see here, it's quite different from our previous design language. Instead of usual graceful and refined shapes, Vision Starburst is sharper and more obvious in terms of design language.
Yes, it certainly is very striking, and I'm also noticing some tech.
Vision Starburst aims to challenge norms of human-machine interaction, changing the way drivers and passengers interact with their vehicle.
Okay, let's start at the beginning, at the front. So tell us more about what's going on at the front with the grille and these intakes here.
Okay. The dominant shape expands outwards from the center, giving the front face of the vehicle a more powerful look. Okay, Toby, where do you see the eyes of the car?
I mean, traditionally, the eyes of the car, I guess, would be the headlamps, which would usually be somewhere over here.
With the front light, we want to explore how the eyes of the car in the future would look like and function. In this case, it's a function that will determine their appearance. The eyes of the cars of the future will no longer be the headlights. Instead, they will use high-tech sensors like LiDAR, which will free designers from the past limitation of headlamp design and open up an entirely new avenue to explore. Pulling the upper edge of the grille and integrating into the air intake vents. The front grille has a unique pattern which works well with the new lighting design to create an effect which echoes the same of energy releasing from a starburst. Let's look at the body. The exterior takes on a more elegant, standout shape. The dynamic waistline and the door panels entwine and integrate. Sharp lines make for bold shapes. What we call the argon gas glow surrounds the wheel opening to interact with the vehicle's environment when in motion. The X-shaped tail lamps are designed for light to expand like infinite waves, starting from the center and moving outward. Inside, the floating center console ignores tradition. With Vision Starburst, the instruments are not just another screen interface. We melt seamlessly with the ambient light on the dash and the door panels to create a borderless visual experience that incorporates the interior in its entirety. Human-machine interaction is no longer limited in a small screen in front of you. With Vision Starburst, the interaction is between the user and the whole car, both inside and out. By integrating the vehicle's instruments, we also aim to make interaction between car and user natural and intuitive, pushing for a new way to approach human-machine interaction. The way we interact with technology is changing, becoming more seamless, more humane, more productive. This needs to be reflected in the cars of the future. With our Vision Starburst, we want to explore where technology will take the future of car design, and also how this integration of technology and the increasingly seamless way in which it's used further affecting our relationship with our vehicles.
So will we be able to see Vision Starburst in Geely's cars in the future?
What we have here is not a vision for a specific model. However, the elements you can see here will not replace the design language of our expanding cosmos, but offer another possible and alternative design vision, which we look forward to exploring more. All I can say now, keep your eyes on Geely.
Thanks very much.
No problem. Thank you.